Hi everyone, you're watching sportscholar.edu and this is a completely new series where we will be discussing about the upcoming DSSB 2021 exam. This is the part 1 of the series where we will be discussing the last year solved question papers. Now since the exam is nearing, it's very important for us to know what question came in the last year. So let's begin with the latest one, the 2018 examination which happened. The first question which came was physical education is also known as A. Gym, B. Cardio class, C. Strengthening class, D. Psychomotor learning. And the answer to this was A. Physical education is also known as gym. The next was physical education is an important component to lead a good fitness, social status, C. Healthy lifestyle, D. Strong body. The answer is C. Physical education is important component to lead a healthy lifestyle. Next, sports performances is a byproduct of A. Skill, B. Conditional ability, C. Total personality, D. Tactical ability. And the answer here is total personality. Sports performance is a byproduct of total personality. Next, who said a sound mind in a sound body? A. Socrates, B. Rousseau, C. Aristotle, D. Plato. So it was Plato, option D, who said a sound mind resides in a sound body. Then fitness gram pacer is used to assess what aspects of fitness. So you can see these 4 options again on your screen. So a few seconds for you to guess. A. Flexibility, B. Muscular strength, C. Cardiovascular endurance, D. Muscular endurance. The right answer is C. Cardiovascular endurance. So the fitness gram pacer is used to assess cardiovascular endurance. Physical activity is basically a social attribute, B. Psychological tendency, C. Biological necessity, D. Philosophical concept. The answer to this is physical activity is a C. Biological necessity. Next, according to a German concept of physical education, the mother of all games and sports is A. Swimming, B. Gymnastics, C. Athletics, D. Combatives. And the answer to this is B. Gymnastic is the mother of all games and sports. Nowadays, physical teacher is essentially A. Instructor, a movement educator, C. A drill master, D. All of the above. So, the option here, don't get confused. A physical education teacher is also an instructor because we have those physical activity where we act as an instructor. We are the one who's responsible for training kids with the locomotor movements. We are also sometimes acting as a drill master, whether it is any sports day which is happening, any normal sports competitions which are happening within the school premises. So we also act as a drill master. So all of the above is the correct answer for it. Okay, so if you are asked for the correct answer, it is all of the above. Fine. Next, we have which of the following concept reflects the true nature of physical education? A. Physical training, B. Science of movement, C. Movement education, and D. Athleticism. Right answer is physical training, A. The most important factor in the organization of recreation is A. Material, B. Leadership, C. Facility, D. Planning. So the most important factor is facility. अगर facility नहीं होगी, so the recreational sports or games cannot be organized. How should you open the airway of an unconscious casualty? A. Head tilt and chin lift. B. Jaw thrust करेंगे. C. Head tilt and jaw thrust. D. Lift the chin. And the right answer is head tilt and chin lift. You must have oftenly seen this drill through CPR, which is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. तो उसमें CPR में आपने देखा होगा कि हम एयरवे खोलने के लिए we tilt the head and we lift the chin. How long would you check to see if the breathing of an unconscious casualty is normal? So A, no more than 10 seconds, B, approximately 10 seconds, C, exactly 10 seconds, D, at least 10 seconds. So the right answer here is no more than 10 seconds. Always remember, 10 seconds से ज़्यादा हमें नहीं रुकना है. What should casualty with a severe allergy carry all the time? So the options are A, insulin, B, acetaminophen, इसको हम पैरासीटामोल भी कहते हैं, C, adrenaline, इसको हम इपिपेन की भी कहते हैं, and D, aspirin. So the answer to this is that जिस भी इंसान को सिवियर एलर्जी कंडीशन होती है उसे हमेशा अपने साथ एपिपेन कैरी करना चाहिए, एड्रेनलिन कैरी करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, विच मेडिकल कंडीशन विल डेवलप फ्रॉम सिवियर ब्लड लॉस? अगर हमारी बॉडी से सिवियर ब्लड लॉस हो गया है तो इनमें से कौन सी कंडीशन डेवलप हो जाएगी? ए, शॉक, बी, हाइपोग्लिसेमिया, सी, एनाफिलेक्सिस, डी, हाइपोथर्मिया. The option to this is very easy. Option A, shock. What is faint? Don't think कि ये गलत option दिया गया है. That is what the DSSB question has given. What is faint? A response to fear, an unexpected collapse. C, a brief loss of unconsciousness. D, a sign of flu. And the option to this is faint is a brief loss of unconsciousness. Question number 17. State the key action involved in stopping any bleeding. कोई भी bleeding हो रही है उसके लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? A, elevation, B, cooling, C, clearing, D, pressure. So the option to this is pressure. हम उस जगह को रोकते हैं कि वहां से और ब्लड ऊज आउट ना हो और वो उसमें हम फिर फर्दर फर्स्ट एड प्रोसीड करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म डज नॉट डिस्क्राइब अ टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्चर? ए, ग्रीन स्टिक, बी, कंपाउंड, सी, सिंपल, डी, इन्फ्यूज्ड. So here the right answer for this is D, infused, क्योंकि infused किसी भी तरीके के कोई फ्रैक्चर के बारे में नहीं बात करता है. ग्रीन स्टिक जो कि बच्चों में पाया जाता है जहाँ पे बोन्स गिरने के कारण बेंड हो जाती है, एक ग्रीन स्टिक की तरह बच्चों की बोन होती है जो बहुत फ्रेजाइल होती है. सो ये किसी स्टिक के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा है, ये एक तरीके का फ्रैक्चर है. देन देर इज कंपाउंड फ्रैक्चर, सिंपल फ्रैक्चर विच वी यूजुअली सी इन द फील्ड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव is the next question. Identify which of the following term does not describe a type of wound. And इनमें से हमें बताना है. इसमें the right answer is A, infused. आपको यहाँ पे लग रहा होगा B ऑप्शन भी दिया है जो कि confused लिखा है. एक्चुअली ये DSSB की ही तरफ से गलत ऑप्शन दे दिया गया था जिसे बाद में कोर्ट में चैलेंज किया गया था and used. सो कई बार ऐसे क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं जो DSSB की तरफ से ही गलत दिए जा सकते हैं. सो कभी भी अगर ऐसा होता है तो इधर यू डोंट अटेम्प्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन और अटेम्प्ट व्हाट यू फील इज द करेक्ट और द नियरेस्ट आंसर टू इट. बिकॉज ऐसे केसेस में जनरली अगर क्वेश्चन उनकी तरफ से गलत दिया जाता है तो हमें पॉइंट्स अवॉर्ड हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज द नेम ऑफ द सब्सटेंस इन द लिस्ट दैट कैन बी यूज्ड टू ट्रीट स्टिंग. स्टिंग है, बी स्टिंग है, किसी भी तरीके का स्टिंग हुआ है उसको ट्रीट करने के लिए क्या होता है? ए, वाटर, बी, बाइकार्बोनेट ऑफ सोडा, सी, हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, डी, विनेगर. द ऑप्शन टू दिस इज डी, विनेगर. Dash is one's body ability to meet daily demand. You have to fill in the blanks. A, physical fitness, B, health, C, emotional fitness, D, fitness. So here the option is physical fitness is one's body ability to meet daily demand. Aerobic exercise, next question, aerobic exercise strengthens R, A, heart, B, mind, C, soul, D, body. And the option to this is heart. So question number 23, aerobic exercise provide muscles with more. So question number 23 क्या पूछ रहा है कि aerobic exercise हमें किस provides muscles with what? More, A, oxygen, B, flexibility, C, calories, D, water. Oxygen, O2. Question number 24, exercise is must for good, A, body tone, C, social, C, physical skill, D, health. So 4 options हैं हमारे पास. Yes, the answer to this is health. Exercise is must for good health. Last question of this series, part 1. Exercise has been proven, A, to increase bone mass, reduce cardiac injury during a heart attack, C, reduce the risk of diabetes, D, all of the above. And the right answer is all of the above. अगर हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो हमारी जो बोन मास है ये भी हमारी बॉडी का इम्प्रूव होता है, हमारे कम से कम हमें कार्डियक इंजरीज होती हैं जो कि ड्यूरिंग हार्ट अटैक है, या हमें हार्ट अटैक के चांसेस रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. जो रेगुलरली एक्सरसाइज करते हैं आप देखेंगे कि उनमें रिस्क ऑफ डायबिटीज़ आपको कम मिलता है. सो ऑल ऑफ द अबव इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस. You saw these 25 questions of the day, and you can yourself see that if you have studied nicely, you will easily be able to answer the questions given by the Delhi Subordinate Service Selection Board. And so keep working hard, keep preparing, keep practicing questions as your exam is nearby. The more and more question paper you solve, the more and more your chances of selection gets confirmed. So see you next time with my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. It will motivate me to make more and more of these videos. See you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe.